Hello, I'm Karen Larson with some of the top stories from 2 Works for You. New numbers from the Cherokee Nation show COVID is hitting the tribe especially hard. More than 4,000 positive cases. The ICU at W.W. Hastings Hospital in Tahlequah is filled to capacity with COVID patients. Earlier in the pandemic, a CDC study found Native American tribal members are 6 times more likely to be hospitalized with the virus.
Obesity, diabetes, lung diseases, these are epidemics in Indian country already. And then you combine that with poor access to healthcare, socioeconomic factors, and a COVID-19 pandemic, and we are going to die at higher rates.
Now to the latest on the surge in COVID-19 cases in Oklahoma, up 78% in the past week. More than 2,600 positive COVID-19 cases reported by the state today. The Department of Health saying that raises the total number in Oklahoma to more than 147,000 cases since March. In addition, 12 more Oklahomans died from COVID-19. Now, because of this surge in cases, GLENPOOL Public Schools and SKIATOOK Public Schools join the long list of districts sending students home again for distance learning. The change starts Monday the 16th for these schools. Students in GLENPOOL and SKIATOOK will be on Thanksgiving break from November 23rd to the 27th. Then in-person learning resumes November 30th. Go to KJRH.com if you'd like to see the list of schools that have now moved back to distance learning. The Tulsa Police Department now has a new team member on the force. Mimi is TPD's newest canine officer. She's trained to locate explosives and something else most dogs can't, firearms. She'll also do protective sweeps when dignitaries or federal officials come to town. Turning now to our 10-day forecast, a little bit of rain chances overnight and into the morning. Low 70s and low 60s for Saturday and Sunday, warming back up into the 70s next week. That's a look at some of the stories making headlines. You can always rely on 2 Works for You for updates.